In today's video, I'm going to teach you how do you write a payroll in QuickBooks. We'll walk through how to record a payroll expense in QuickBooks Online, perfect for situations where you pay wages outside of QuickBooks Payroll and need the expense reflected in your books. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to your company's homepage. Make sure you're in the correct company file, then look to the left menu and open the expenses area. This is your hub for vendor payments, bills, and any outflows you want to track. We're going to create a simple expense that clearly labels payroll costs. Next, click the highlighted button to start a new expense. On the expense form, begin with the payee field. Select the employee or contractor you paid. If you don't see them, you can add them later, but for this example, just choose the appropriate payee so the transaction is easy to identify in reports. Now choose the payment account. Click the account field and pick the account you used to pay. This might be a checking account, petty cash, or another cash account. In our example, we'll choose cash, but you should match whatever you actually use so reconciliation is straightforward. Move down to the category details section, click the category field, start typing payroll expenses, and then select the payroll expenses account when it appears. This tells QuickBooks exactly how to classify the transaction so it shows up correctly on your profit and loss. Enter the amount you paid in the amount field. While you're here, it's a good idea to fill in the description or memo with a quick note, like the pay period or any relevant reference. Clear notes will save you time during month-end review and when someone else looks at the transaction later. If you need to break out the expense into multiple lines, say one for wages and another for payroll taxes, use the copy option to duplicate the line and adjust the category and amounts as needed. If everything belongs on a single line, you can skip this and keep it simple. Double check the date to make sure it reflects when the payment actually went out. Accurate dates keep your cash flow and reports aligned with reality. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Your payroll expense is now recorded, categorized to payroll expenses, and ready to flow into your financial reports. As a quick tip, after saving, review your expenses list and during reconciliation, match this transaction to the bank movement so your books stay clean and accurate. That's it. Your manual payroll expense is now in QuickBooks.